So here is a very trending app which is called I'm Sober, sobriety tracker for recovery. And I think this is one of the best tracker apps for this purpose in the App Store right now. As you can see, it's in the top charts in the US App Store. Yep, so this is the app. And I'm Sober is more than just a free sobriety counter app. Along with tracking your sober days, it helps you build new habits and provides ongoing motivation by connecting you to a wide network of people all striving the same goal, staying sober one day at a time. So this app also offers access to amazing community, and from this community you can learn from others and contribute by sharing insights and tactics that have worked for you. So what are some of the main features, and we will go through them in the app. So you can have like sober day tracker to motivate you, remember why you quit, daily pledge tracker, sobriety calculator, analyze triggers, recap each day and find patterns that make your day easier, share your story, milestone tracker, withdrawal timeline. You can customize your experience. And then there is like a Sober Plus subscription, so that's basically upgraded app. So you can create a group. So yeah, you can have, there is locked access, there is data backups, you can save your progress in the cloud and restore your trackers if you get a new device, more tracking, and all the features. You can see like that there are more than 80,000 ratings for this app, 4.9 out of 5 average rating. And yep, so let's just start. So here's how the app looks like. It's very simple interface. Basically, you don't even need to create an account. You just download the app. The app is free, and then you can just, start which issues do you have. It's not only alcohol. You can define, it can be beer, some other substances and all of that, and you can always add a new tracker from all of these types. And then you can start just the tracker, like, so you can say the time and date when you become sober, and then here is the tracker going on, and this is like very motivational. And then you see all these motivational images and statements, and then you can also share it as well. So that's basically already like super motivational and super helpful for a lot of people, just to have this one place, where you control yourself and where you see all of that. So you can also really customize look and feel of the app, all these color schemes, light, dark, and all of that. And then there are plus skins and all of that. So here it is. Then then there are savings. Savings trackers can tell you how much you have saved for money, time, calories, and more. You can set up savings trackers. So something like that, time, calories, custom. So here is also the calendar, and then there are settings. You can select start date and time, clock title, so all of that. And if you want to create your account and connect your like Google account or something, you can just do it here and just create your account with your email, and then just choose your username. You can add your photo, and all of that. Actually, also here you can choose to delete account. If you don't need I'm Sober app anymore, it's good that you can just delete an account and all the related data. So that's basically that. So that's that. Then on the second tab there is pledges. So here you can do pledges. So for example, to make a pledge today, and then you just do this pledge, and that's like a daily motivational push, And there you have it. So then you can also add some notes, calendar, stats. Also then there is like a community. So that's very helpful feature, of course, because it's much easier to feel supportive and to stay in community of people who support you. And here you can see really motivational stories. It's like a social networks. You can see groups. You can create a group, but to create a group you will need to upgrade. But here you can just see the community. You can follow people. You can send gifts. You can see all the stories, and then like on the first tab there is motivation tab, where you can see all the motivational quotes, motivational supportive images, which can also help you out. And so you can say that. Also then, of course, if you want to unlock all packs, you can just upgrade here and manage all these packs. So then there is like a support as well. So there are some integrations, and then you can there are some like discounts for BetterHelp community, and you can have a discount if you registered on I'm Sober app. So that's basically that. That's your account. Again, if you want to keep your data backed up, so if you're not a Sober Plus subscriber, only your social activity is saved in the cloud, like stories and comments. Everything else will be saved locally on your device. This includes anything associated with your addictions, like start dates, daily pledges, or reviews. Sober Plus keeps all of your data backed up in the cloud, so if you ever delete the app or change device, you can restore the data and pick up where you left off. So here it is. If you want to upgrade to Sober Plus, here you will just see this screen. Invest in creating a better you. Sober Plus is a suite of premium app features that help you make sobriety a priority in your life. So you can unlock more features, like you can see on the free plan. You can't create a group, you can't do data backups, locked access, you can't access all skins, and all of that. So basically, you can just upgrade. 7 days free, and then $27.49 for 6 months. So this is an option here. I don't think it is possible to subscribe for 1 month. So for example, if you try to do that, you will just be presented with this subscription. So and this is a bit different because the minimum option is 6 months. You can't subscribe for 1 month, because obviously for this app it doesn't make sense to be active just for 1 month. So you want to have a bigger progress, and like try and stay in sober for at least 6 months or something like that. So that's why there is this specifics of the app. So then you can see the activity, you can see the stories, so that's basically the app. That's basically how it looks like. It's actually quite minimalistic, but it contains so much features. So that's that, and the reviews are actually really amazing. So you can see 80,000 plus ratings, 4.9 out of 5 average rating, which is pretty amazing. This gamified, I love it, best app ever, I love this app, great app. So like all of the 5 stars reviews, and this app can be really helpful and can be super powerful for a lot of people. It's trending in searches, it's trending in the App Store. So I think it's a really amazing job from the developers. So definitely give a try to this app. If you need to. I think this is one of the best apps in this category. So thank you for watching a lot. Subscribe to my channel. I often do reviews of some interesting apps and software. I also run a blog, mrhack.io, and podcast. So thank you for watching.